Buying a dock should be simple and stress-free. Let's face it, it's been a show for a while. So we became the first company to let you buy a dock online with a drink in hand. Plus, our prices are right on the website, so you don't have to deal with this guy and his hidden fees.
Assembling your dock should be as easy as disappointing your father.
It really is that simple. And if you think that's easy, our floating system is even easier. We've sold thousands of docks at a fair price and with excellent customer service. Have any issues, drop a bracket in the lake, Lori's got you covered. We don't get a lot of calls. Don't get overwhelmed buying some overpriced dock with features you're never gonna use and waiting months to get it. You've got better things to do.
Your kid's on the forklift again.
And apparently so do I. So while I get my toddler off that forklift, you head on down to TommyDocks.com, buy yourself a dock, and get to enjoying your time on the water.